Imagine a future where hearts never fail, where age is just a number and humanity can outlive its biological constraints. It sounds like science fiction, but cutting-edge research in Australia suggests that we might be taking the first steps towards such a reality. Scientists have developed a fully synthetic titanium heart, an artificial organ that could eliminate the need for human donors. Unlike traditional heart transplants, this implant doesn't just replace a failing heart, it has the potential to outlast and outperform a biological one. Could this be the first step toward human immortality? Or are we underestimating the complex challenges that come with replacing human organs with synthetic alternatives? Welcome to the Atomic Domain, where we dissect the latest breakthroughs shaping the future. If revolutionary discoveries like this fascinate you, consider subscribing and sharing this journey into the frontiers of science. The scientific breakthrough. What is the titanium heart? The human heart is a marvel of biological engineering, but it's also vulnerable to disease, aging, and failure. Every year, 17.9 million people die from cardiovascular diseases worldwide, according to the World Health Organization, WHO. The demand for heart transplants far exceeds the number of available donors. To solve this, researchers at Monash University in Australia have developed a groundbreaking fully implantable artificial heart made from titanium, utilizing bioprinted tissues, graphene-based energy systems, and AI-driven adaptability. Unlike previous artificial hearts that rely on mechanical pumps, this titanium heart mimics the real thing more closely than ever before. Key technological innovations: 1. Bio-integrated muscle layers. The titanium heart is coated with lab-grown cardiac cells, allowing it to contract and pump blood naturally. Unlike previous artificial hearts, which function like rotary pumps, this design enables pulsatile blood flow, reducing clotting risks. 2. Graphene-based supercapacitors. Traditional artificial hearts require external battery packs. This implant integrates graphene supercapacitors, which allow for wireless charging and long-lasting energy storage. Graphene is an ultralight, conductive material that ensures efficient energy transfer, reducing the need for frequent battery replacements. 3. AI-regulated adaptability. The heart uses real-time neural feedback sensors to detect oxygen levels, physical activity, and stress responses, adjusting its beating rate accordingly. Unlike mechanical implants that require manual calibration, this heart self-regulates, mirroring the responsiveness of a biological heart. This represents a paradigm shift in medicine, a self-sustaining heart that adapts, regenerates, and potentially lasts a lifetime. The history of artificial hearts. Why this is different. To appreciate why this is groundbreaking, we need to look at the history of artificial hearts. Jarvik 7, 1982, the first successful total artificial heart, but it required an external air compressor and often led to blood clotting and infections. Carmat Bioprosthetic Heart 2020s. A soft artificial heart made of biomaterials and electronics, but it still required external power and had limited long-term success. Monash Titanium Heart 2025, the first heart to use titanium, graphene, and AI together, eliminating the need for external batteries while mimicking the cellular structure of real hearts. Unlike previous artificial hearts, this one doesn't just replace a failing heart, it could potentially enhance human longevity by eliminating the vulnerabilities of biological aging. Human trials. When will this become reality? As of 2025, the titanium heart is in preclinical trials. Researchers are preparing for first-in-human trials by 2026, with a focus on patients suffering from end-stage heart failure. Early results from animal trials and lab-grown human tissue tests have shown exceptional compatibility and function, suggesting that this technology could soon transition to full-scale human testing. Projected timeline: 2025 to 2026. First human trials on patients with severe heart failure. 2027 to 2029, scaling up production, refining wireless energy systems, and addressing unforeseen challenges. 2030 plus, possible commercial availability for patients worldwide. If successful, this technology could replace heart transplants entirely within the next decades. The ethical and societal impact. Is immortality a real possibility? 1. Can a titanium heart extend human lifespan? While the titanium heart might eliminate heart failure, aging is a multifaceted process. The body still experiences genetic mutations, mitochondrial dysfunction, and cellular senescence over time. Scientists at Harvard Medical School are exploring gene therapy to reverse aging at the cellular level. If combined with synthetic organs, this could dramatically extend human lifespan. 2. Who gets access? The divide between rich and poor. If this technology becomes available, will it only be accessible to the wealthy? Historically, advanced medical treatments start expensive but become affordable with mass production. The challenge is ensuring that this doesn't lead to a new class divide in lifespan and health. 3. Psychological adaptation. Are humans ready? How will people feel knowing they have a metallic heart instead of a biological one? Psychological research suggests that body-integrated technology often causes identity shifts and adaptation challenges. If AI-driven implants start making decisions for the body, will humans still feel in control of their existence? These questions highlight that technological immortality is more than just a medical challenge, it's a philosophical and societal one as well. The future of transhumanism, a step toward full-body replacement. The titanium heart is just one piece of the larger transhumanist revolution. Scientists worldwide are developing artificial lungs, synthetic kidneys, and brain-computer interfaces to push human limits further. Current breakthroughs in 3D bioprinting, neural implants, and AI-driven regenerative medicine suggest that we may one day replace the entire human body piece by piece. If the titanium heart succeeds, it will validate the concept of full-body prosthetics, bringing us closer to a future where biological limitations no longer define us. Conclusion: is this the first step to human immortality? So, is the titanium heart the key to immortality? Yes and no. It's a crucial breakthrough, but it's just one part of the larger puzzle. To truly overcome aging, we need 1. Synthetic organs like the titanium heart. 2. AI-driven regenerative medicine. 3. Genetic engineering to reverse aging. 4. Brain-computer integration for cognitive enhancement. If these technologies merge within the next 50 years, then yes, we may be witnessing the first real steps toward human immortality. But until then, one thing is certain: the future of medicine will be defined by technology, not biology. Like, share, and subscribe to the Atomic Domain to stay ahead of the most mind-bending advancements shaping the future. The world is changing, let's explore it together.